Hey everybody, I'm incredibly glad to see you again. If you didn't watch previous videos, I wish you would see once. And now let's get started. First of all, we need to fix the minor bug we have. Exactly when I click on the workout item itself, it removes, but we need to remove workout items when we click on the cross button. I reckon we can fix it right away. Now I'm gonna tell you about the new improvements and updates I made. First is the calculate progress function that filters our exercises by name, calculate how many push-ups we improved, and calculate the percentage of it. Also, I added a new probe for workout item, progress property, that is on how much percentages we improve, accordingly our previous workout session. We add class, whichever is greater than 0 or it's less than 0. If our progress is greater than 0, we add a up class. If our progress is less than 0, we need to add down class. Also, if there is no progress, it usually happens when it's our first workout session, we didn't change anything. If our workout progress is greater than 0, we have to add percentages and arrow up. And if our progress is less than 0, we need to add percentages and arrow down. It probably sounds a little bit confusing, but code can teach you and explain how does it work. By the way, code is in the comment below. Now let's test it out. When we add a first workout session, it obviously doesn't have a color or progress because of its first one, but if we added second one and further, we can see our progress. By the way, different workout exercises don't depend on each other because we filter them by name. Now I'm gonna commit changes and push them out to our GitHub repository. Hey guys, the video comes to the end. If you wanna see the code from this tutorial, you can see this in the description below. If you wanna see more tutorials, you need to like and subscribe. So have a good one, take care.